Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. A sheep is a farm animal. The next animal is a dog. This is a dog. A dog is a farm animal. This is a dog, a sheep, and a cow. The next animal is lion. Lion is the king of forest. Lion is a wild animal. The next one is leopard. This is leopard. Leopard is a wild animal. The next animal is panda. This is panda. A cat. This is a cat. The next animal is rhino.